what is up? It is your girl Simone Cherise here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are working with OMGQUEEN.com, and today's video is a little different. We are using a U-Part wig. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me with this wig, and you guys had lots of questions and were super impressed with it, as I was. Like, I was amazed, and honestly, I've never given U-Part wigs a chance, but I think after this video, it might just be added to my entire wig collection. If you look inside, there's combs everywhere that's helping to keep the wig secure. There's an adjustable band in the back that comes connected to the wig, and so you don't have to worry about whether or not it's secure, guys. It's hella secure, okay? Now, this is my first U-Part wig that I've gotten from a company, so I didn't know what to do with it at first. Like, I was like, what do I do with these stretchy parts at the top? I was so lost, and then I realized I think I should cut it, and so I went ahead and I cut it, and after that, it just made much more sense. Next, I already had my hair flat twisted, so what I did was I just untwisted the two middle twists that were on my head, and then I put the rest of the hair into a low ponytail just to make sure that, you know, it's just not in the way or anything. Oh, also make sure you fix the combs in the back, because you also want to make sure that it's not just flying up in the air and so forth. Okay, now it's time for styling. I love kinky hair. I love textured hair. It's so funny because a year ago I was so not into it, and recently I've just been obsessed. So I love how it looks when you flat iron it, because it's not super silky straight, but it still looks like the texture of my real hair. So here I am just flat ironing my hair. I'm gonna spend some time flat ironing my hair until I get it to a point of where I like it. This wig is a great alternative for people who just don't want to spend too much time on their hair. They want to break from lace wigs, closures, or anything like that. It's a great way to just take a break from all of that, especially if you just like to fill your hair. And guys, it's so hot nowadays, especially in Georgia, that this right here just makes me so happy, because I love lace, but I need a break sometimes. Now, I didn't want my hair to be super sleek straight, so I didn't flat iron it. Instead, I did just blow dry it flat, and that was all I pretty much did to get my hair to blend in so well. Like, do you see that blend? It's the blend for me. It's the blend, because it looks so good and so natural. Like, I was so impressed. Honestly, yes, I'm having a wig sale coming up very soon, but this one I might actually have to keep for myself. Like, you could wear it in a low ponytail and it'll still look really good. You could actually sew this down if you really wanted to, because you just wanted to have it on every day for a week or so, a week at a time. You can actually sew it down, but I change hairstyle so much that it doesn't really make sense for me to do that. And then I just want to show you guys some close-ups of the hair before I get into curling it. I wanted to show you guys that you can also curl this hair. It doesn't have to only be worn straight. You can also probably do braid outs and it will still look bomb as hell, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. And actually, guys, it does hold a curl very, very, very well. So those are important things that you guys need to know. It doesn't shed. I didn't have any shedding issues. I didn't have any tangling issues. It just felt really good. So definitely give this one a try. left was also perfect for me, guys. So here I have my little sister curling my hair because I just have lost patience when it comes to curling hair, but the curls lasted a while, which is also very important for you guys to know, which I already said. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys are down for U-parts. You guys actually asked for U-part wigs a while back and I haven't had a chance to get to them, but so I'm happy to be doing it for you guys. But let me know if you guys want more U-part wigs, some more closure wigs, more natural things besides just frontals. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Check out omgqueen.com and bye, my loves.